Hey everyone, so we're at the Cheesecake Factory tonight for dinner, but being from Australia we thought it was desserts only, but it's full meals and desserts as well. Our food is ready now and this is what we got. I got a bacon burger with some fries to the side. Then Sarah got some burger with some fries to the side. Mum got some fries and a corn cake thing. And then over here, Dad got another bacon burger with fries yet to come. Let's dig in. So the food was really good. My burger was really nice. The meat was just so good. And then there was like this special sauce or whatever, which I really liked. And then the fries were good as well. I just loved it all. So I highly recommend this place. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe buttons and on turn notifications. See ya.